All right, so we are going to do a couple of problems together, doing one-step equations. We're going to start with addition. So 2 plus what, or x, equals 5. So there's two different ways that you can solve this, one using the box method and one using backwards PEMDAS. I'm going to start with the box method. So basically think to yourself, we're going to draw a picture here with a box. We have two things in this box. We don't know what's in this box, but we do know that this whole box altogether should equal 5. So you need to think to yourself, okay, so what's the distance from 2 to 5? Oh, I have 3 left over, so that's going to this box, so that means our x value is equal to 3. The other way you can do it is backwards PEMDAS. So 2 plus x equals 5. So backwards PEMDAS is thinking about your parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and doing that backwards, because here we are given the answer, and so that means we work backwards to figure out what got us to that answer, as opposed to normally when we have PEMDAS, we work forward because we're trying to get the answer. So we work backwards, so that means we start with any addition and subtraction. So we do have addition and subtraction here, so that's what we are going to start with. So we can take away this this 2 by making it -2 and creating a 0 pair there so that all that's left on this side is a positive x. And then whatever you do to one side, you have to do to the other to keep it balanced. So that means we're going to also subtract 2 on this side. And we'll see 5 minus 2, and our x value is 3. The other one-step equation that you can see is if you had x minus 3 equals 7. Yeah, you're going to need to ignore my handwriting on these things. So x minus 3 equals 7. So basically, what minus 3 gets you 7? So starting with our box, we're going to have part of it worth x and part of it worth -3. And we know this whole thing is going to equal 7. So we think to ourselves, if we're starting at -3, picture a number line or your chips, whatever you need to do, we're getting from -3 up to a +7. So we're going to kind of do some hop, skip, and jump in on a number line here. If we're starting at -3, to kind of break this up, just to get to 0, this distance is 3. And then we need to get to 7. So then from 0 to 7 is 7. And then these two together would get us 10. So that means the distance from -3 to a +7 is a distance of 10. So that's what we have left over to put in these boxes. So that means that our x value is equal to 10. We can also do this with backwards PEMDAS. So x minus 3 equals 7. So first off, we have to look, okay, we have addition and subtraction. That's what we do first. So we do have some subtraction. And so to undo subtraction, the opposite of -3 to get to a 0 pair is a +3. And then remember, we have to do it to each side to make sure our equation stays balanced. So then we would just have a positive x left here. This creates a 0 pair. And then 7 plus 3 is 10. Another way we can see is 3x equals 12. So we're saying 3 times what gets us 12. You can either say that to yourself and that can help you out, or we can do the box method, or we can do backwards PEMDAS. Lots of different ways to figure it out. So we start with our box. We're having 3 x's, so that means we are making 3 different boxes with an x in them. And this whole thing is worth the value of 12. So if we were to split up 12 into each of these boxes equally, we need to think what would go in each box. Well, I know that 4 plus 4 plus 4 gets me to a +12. And I just need the value of 1x, so x is equal to 4. Or you can think 12 divided by 3, right? And that's kind of very similar to if we solve it with backwards PEMDAS. So we don't have any addition or subtraction, so we can go backwards to the next one, which would be multiplication division. We do have that here. We have multiplication going on here, so that means we just need to divide on both sides so that these cancel out to become 1. So 3 divided by 3 is 1. So all that's left over is 1x. And then if we divide by 3 on this side, we get 12 divided by 3, and that would be 4. And then the last one would be something divided by 3 equals, I keep using 3, sorry, but we'll go with 5, all right? So we're going to have, we already know that we're gonna have to make this whole thing our x value. So this one's a little bit different. Instead of the x going into the boxes, the whole box is going to be worth x. And it is saying that we are going to have 3 groups of 5. So 1, 2, 3. So we have 3 groups of 5, which those added together would get us 15. So if all those together is 15, that's what our x value is. If we are doing backwards PEMDAS, we would start here and think to ourselves, do we have any addition or subtraction to solve? Nope. So now we can move on to multiplication and division. We do have multiplication and division. We have division going on, so the opposite of division is multiplication. So we multiply on both sides. And once again, these would cancel out to become 1, so we're left with a single 1x. 5 times 3 would be 15. Thank you guys so much for watching. Hope this helped.